Hey friends! Do you ever get caught up in the madness of creating and revising and editing and all of that stuff and forget to take care of yourself? Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. I've heard so many people during NaNoWriMo or during a crazy deadline say that they don't have time to shower, brush their teeth, or eat proper meals. To be completely honest, I'm guilty of all of those things as well. But no matter how busy we get, no matter how excited or stressed out we are to work on our stories, self-care and prioritizing our needs for hygiene, for quality of life, and for our bodies and minds should always come first. Do not survive on coffee alone. A little time to take off your makeup, brush your hair, and maybe even put on some clothes that you really like. Although pajama days are awesome and hold a special place in my heart forever. Stories are important to take care of, but you are more important to take care of. So take care of yourself. Encourage your friends to take care of themselves too. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below. And I will see you guys next week. Bye everybody!